In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook ads location targeting in just 5 minutes. If you're running ads on Facebook and aren't reaching your desired audience effectively, it could be due to improper location targeting. Let's dive into how you can make sure your ads are targeted precisely to the areas you want. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to your Facebook Ads Manager. This is your command center for all your advertising campaigns, so having a good grasp of this tool is essential. Once you're in, look for the Go to Ads Manager button and click it. This will take you directly to your dashboard where all your ad campaigns are listed. At this point, you'll need to log in by entering your email and password. And once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the main page where you'll see a list of all your ad campaigns. Navigate to your campaigns dashboard. This is the central location where all your active and inactive campaigns are displayed. Choose a campaign that you want to work on, just click on it to get more details about its performance and settings. Now we'll proceed to the ad sets level, which is where you can make finer adjustments to your targeting options. Click on edit and then scroll down to the location section of your ad set. This is your primary area for setting precise geographical targets, which is crucial for ensuring your ads hit the right audiences. Once in the location section, click on edit. It's here that you have the opportunity to specify not only cities but also specific areas you want your ads to target. Facebook provides powerful features that include using the include and exclude options. By including specific areas, you tailor your message to those who are most likely to be interested in your offerings. Furthermore, excluding surrounding areas helps create an effect known as geofencing, ensuring that people in those regions won't see your ads, potentially saving you money and increasing ad relevance. If you have particularly precise targeting needs, you might want to use the drop pin feature. This allows you to pinpoint exact locations on a map, including well-defined geographies such as a radius around a location, to further refine who sees your ads. For fine adjustments, you can modify the radius of your target area to widen or narrow your reach accordingly. By following these steps, you should notice a significant improvement in how your audience responds to your Facebook ads, as they are now optimized for more relevant location targeting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.